The Silhouette Boundary feature is a new wireframe geometry feature that calculates 2D profiles from 3D models for flattened inside and outside boundary creations. It is found here under the Create 2D tab at the top of the screen. The new Silhouette feature allows you to get the overall outline of the part as if it were flattened onto a two-dimensional plane. Getting the outline of a part can be difficult to outright impossible, especially in the case of an STL file. In the past, getting an intersection of curves with an intersecting plane can fail to provide enough to create a proper outline. Using the Project to Z plane option in the Extract Edges function is useful, but produces curves for every selected edge, and it can take a while to manually delete enough for the desired geometry. You can see in this example of the Extract Edges function that there's a number of extra entities to delete, interfering with the necessary geometry. With the new Silhouette function, just select the geometry, select the direction, adjust available options as needed, and click OK. All the work is done for you. This CAD function works on all solid models, even STL models.